park, lay low and cool off, set our mind off to beautiful things. You can go, brother. You can go. Yeah, I just gave my brother a swing. What's happening?
Number one.
Can't complain. Always.
Yeah,
Always. So it's just a young drive. It's not gonna be anything hectic, and we're just gonna see what's happening forwards.
Es waar hoor man.
It's waar, my guy.
Ja, weet je bro. Kaya thase ana papa. Yeah. Let's tell me do. Away. Ukara moto ashiji njalo.
No, who can you?
Yeah. Bang weji junior one. One.
Purorenya
Banjaja lagi macam lo jenje denjara saja. Banjaja. One.
Lah, anda itu. Tiaga.
Ya.
Away. Anda ni.
Kata Insta camera tlabe mo ba ga.
Jo. Nata. That's good. What's happening?
It's tiredness.
How was the session?
I was dope.
Yeah.
You fought.
Yeah. How many times did you fall?
Maybe 70 times.
70?
Yeah.
And of those times, how many did you get up and, dust yourself and go again?
I think from there, obviously, 71 plus.
Yeah.
Because if it's less than 70, that means that I took a loss.
Away.
Yeah, so I'm winning today, Had 70 losses, 71 wins. So I'm standing. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I like this. What is this?
I'm preparing for the talk.
Yeah.
So I can see if she can handle clients.
Sorry, we got to promote it. So where can they get you? When they get you? How much do you charge? How much are your services?
Something like a 10K installation.
10K installation. Okay, no, I like that. 10K installation, guys. Oh, you're joking. Boom. So now we're gonna be seeing what's happening in the office, engage a bit with the team members, and yeah.
Hey, but okay.
Inside.
So what's happening? Or you just chilling?
You know, when I just chilling, watching the CCTV footage.
CCTV, I don't know.
In my mini office.
Mini office. I know you saw each and every step of the corner. We're making sure that it's being washed. But yeah, let's see.
So normally around these times what happens is that I'll be looking at the markets and you can simply see that we already had a trade idea that I shared with the team yesterday. So if I just come down here to trade ideas, this is one of the trade ideas that I shared, and as well we've got here in the mentor section in the private team, this was yesterday, which is I shared a trade on GBP JPY as well. Shared a trade here is GBP JPY and as well US30. So on US 100, one thing that I'm looking for is like more of, I did mention that I'm waiting for price to literally just come down and test around these areas, but once we do get that, that's when I'll be able to capitalize. Okay, let me just make sure that this is actually connect. Okay, so as I was looking for a trade on US 100, I noticed that even here in the private team, I noticed that price was still somewhere around here. You can easily just see price was here, so I was like, you know what, let's wait for price to go. It's gonna go up, but before that we need to expect price to literally just give us like those tests on the lows, which is right here. So that's what I'm now looking for. So once price comes back and tests somewhere around this area, I believe that on a much more smaller time frame, such as your 15-minute, I could be able to enter or secure a trade. So I'll just have to manage it. Now it's literally the waitings game, having to manage all these trades that are running. But let us now take a look at how we can actually take advantage of this. Yeah, I did mention this. So looking at it now, I'm just waiting for a trade and I'll just be analyzing more setups or more trades. Some nice setups here, and one thing that I like is that I'll be sharing these with the private members for now. And guys, we are launching a 40% sale for this Christmas sale, which is going to be starting from the 15th up until the 25th. From there, we are no longer going to be enrolling new students. The reason being is because of the fact that we're actually looking into improving and making sure that we actually give the right services. So we're focusing more on improving the business of the company while you can still be able to take advantage of the 40% now. For now, what will happen is that I'll be continuing looking at the charts, make sure that I actually do send these out to the members, and when we're done with that, obviously now you'll be able to share this in the public group. Make sure that you are as well in the public group. The link will be description for that public group, and as well the link or the coupon code, I'll make sure that I actually put it down in the description, and I will see you guys on the next YouTube video. Make sure that you like and as well comment below which parts do you like about this video, and as well make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel.